Uber's officially dropped me off again. Again, helmet in hand, I'm back. Yardley Wood Social Club. Today is Thursday, the 21st of April. It is the last and final chapter of this journey. Today is Mod 2 day. It's currently 8:15 in the morning. It's going to be a good day today. Cue dramatic music in 3, 2, 1. Made my way around that corner, which is that one, to come and see there is literally no one here. Helmet and gloves in check. I guess it's a waiting game at this stage. 2 bikes, 2 600s. Let's get cracking. Right people, I'm back on the bike and we are currently on the way to go and get fuel first before we do any training. I've got a new guy with me. He's doing his first set of Mod 2 training, so he's going to go through everything I went through last time. So what I'm going to do is I need to save as much battery as possible, and that was the maddest pull ever. That threw me back for 6. Just to put you guys in the loop, let's turn this bad boy on. The obligatory, there we go. Right, we're going to do some high speed stuff now. So we've been training all morning. I think it's about 11 o'clock or something. We've been doing maneuvers and whatnot, bits and bobs. Didn't want to record that because we've been through it all before. But now we said we're going to do some high speed stuff. This is the stuff I want to record. So he's just said to me, radio comms are up again. We're going to turn right at the end of the road. Again, put you in the loop. The guy in front of the instructor, he's also got his Mod 2 today. So it's 2 of us doing a Mod 2. So now let's get up to the fun stuff and floor this bad boy. Okay, red car coming, can't go. Now we can go. Left at the roundabout, he said, first exit. That was illegal what I done, but it was fun. So we're gonna come up to a dual carriageway. I done this last time on my Mod 2. I just didn't get to record it. Right. This is where we get to floor it. He keeps falling off the bike, the instructor, and he keeps swearing in my ear. It's funny. Okay, ready? And here goes. Oh shit! Oh shit then! Jesus! And we're going to do the same on the way back. This is the fun stuff. Oh shit! talking in my ear saying slow down. Third exit on the roundabout, he's saying. Third exit on the roundabout. So, come down a gear. Straight to 50, he said. Oh, I can't even floor it because there's cars in front of me. Gonna come off at the slip road here, he just said. I'm gonna follow that bus in ahead. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. Okay. He just told me to go ahead, take a right. Right turn ahead. Oh shit. He said go, 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 go. You ain't gonna tell me twice, sunshine. Oh. Nah, this is too sick. Roundabout straight over, second exit. Roundabout, second exit. Come down a gear and floor it. He's told me to floor it, therefore I'm going to floor it. One down, two, one down. This is amazing. If you don't feel alive doing this, you will never feel alive. Me. Me, the wind is a madness. I don't know if the GoPro's picking up the wind, but it's smashing my ears. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Just said well done. Right people, I've officially left the test centre, as you can clearly see, and I've just done my mod 2 test, and I'm happy to say I passed my mod 2. Are you mad? I passed my mod 2. Oh my god, I've passed my mod 2. It's official. I am a full license holder. I don't even have radio comms on in my helmet no more, because I've passed my test. I passed my mod 2 test. Do you know how gassed I am? I passed my mod 2. I'm so happy. Don't know what's happening here. My YouTube family, everybody who's been following me, everybody who's subscribed, everybody who's been leaving comments in the comment section and interacting with me, I want to say thank you, a massive thank you. I got there. I finally got there. It's official. I'm gonna buy myself a big boy bike. I'm a full license holder. I've done it. This chapter of my bike journey is finally complete. On to the next one. Now unfortunately, a bit of bad news, or sad news I should say, is the lad in front of me on his bike, he just done his mod 2 test as well. Oh, here we go, my people, come on. Bow, bow. Let me digress. He done his mod 2 and he failed, unfortunately, with one major. I came in this morning, said I'm going to pass, and I passed. Mom, I've done it. And now I can smell weed.